Have you ever wondered how to make someone think about you constantly? To be the first thought on their mind in the morning and the last one at night? Imagine becoming so unforgettable that your absence is profoundly felt. Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're diving into the secrets of making yourself irresistible using 10 powerful Stoic principles. These aren't just about creating a little longing. They're about transforming you into someone they can't stop thinking about. Let's explore how these timeless wisdoms can sharpen love and create a deep connection. So, don't skip any part, because each principle is a crucial piece of this captivating puzzle. Before we dive in, I have a small task for you. Drop a comment below with the words "on their mind tomorrow." It perfectly captures the essence of what we're discussing today and shows you're ready to engage. Now, let's uncover these Stoic strategies to make you unforgettable. Number 1. Self-sufficiency. Being self-sufficient can make someone miss you more by showcasing that you're a whole person, thriving independently. Picture yourself deeply involved in your passions, whether it's pursuing a hobby, career goals, or personal growth. This self-reliance is inherently attractive because it demonstrates that your happiness and fulfillment don't hinge on someone else's presence. When you're not always available or leaning on your partner for emotional support, you create a healthy distance that fosters mutual respect and intrigue. This space is essential in a relationship as it encourages your partner to view you as a confident, capable individual rather than someone solely defined by the relationship. It highlights your ability to stand strong on your own, which can be both refreshing and inspiring. As they see you flourishing and enjoying life independently, they start to miss the unique energy you bring, the joy, the confidence, the independence. This longing is not just for your physical presence, but for the essence of who you are as a person. It stirs curiosity about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, making them appreciate the time spent together even more. Ultimately, your self-sufficiency doesn't push them away. Instead, it draws them closer as they cherish and yearn for the moments when they can share in the richness of your life. Number 2. Emotional control. Emotional control is compelling because it acts as a stabilizing force, much like steering a powerful ship through a stormy sea. It helps navigate the complex energies of our relationships, directing them toward healthier and more constructive outcomes. Imagine maintaining calm and composure during heated conversations or challenging situations. This level of emotional control is not just impressive, but also deeply intriguing. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This wisdom underscores the power of focusing on our internal responses rather than external circumstances. When we manage our emotions thoughtfully, we cultivate a presence that exudes an aura of mystery and depth. Our partners or others around us become curious about the inner workings of our minds, captivated by the calm and collected demeanor we display. This strength of character not only commands respect, but also fosters a sense of admiration. It makes others miss the deliberate and measured affection we show, heightening their appreciation for our presence. In essence, emotional control enhances our relationships by creating a deeper connection and understanding, as those around us become more attuned to the thoughtful way we navigate life's ups and downs. Number 3. Intentional communication. Intentional communication can make someone crave your presence by transforming every interaction into a meaningful and impactful experience. It's about choosing your words carefully, ensuring they add value to the conversation, and making each exchange significant. As Seneca advised, "Speak so you can speak again," highlighting the importance of leaving a lasting impression. When your words are deliberate and infused with purpose and depth, they become more than just conversation. They become memorable moments that resonate. This approach not only fosters a sense of intrigue and curiosity, but also establishes a deeper connection. Your partner begins to look forward to your interactions, anticipating the unique insights, humor, and thoughtful expressions you bring to the table. The art of intentional communication lies in the ability to convey genuine interest and understanding, making your partner feel seen and valued. As your words linger in their mind, they start to associate your presence with these enriching experiences, pulling them closer to you even when you're not physically together. This creates a magnetic pull, where the quality of your communication becomes a source of attraction, making them crave more of your presence and the unique bond you share. Number 4, acceptance of absence. Embracing absence in a relationship can paradoxically strengthen the connection between partners. While it may seem counterintuitive, accepting the times apart can deepen longing and appreciation for one another. Absence builds anticipation, making the moments of reunion all the more meaningful. By valuing moments of solitude, you demonstrate a strong sense of self and an understanding that true connection transcends constant proximity. It isn't about being together all the time. It's about the quality of the emotional bond that persists even when you're apart. As Epictetus wisely noted, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. Allowing each other the freedom to have personal space and time cultivates a sense of individuality and mutual respect. This space ignites curiosity, making partners miss each other not merely because of physical distance, but because they appreciate the enriched quality of their time together. The absence becomes a time for personal growth and reflection, which in turn enhances the shared experiences. It reminds both parties of the intrinsic value of their relationship, making them cherish the connection even more when they reunite. Number 5, mindfulness in interaction. Being fully present in your interactions can make people miss you more because it creates a unique and memorable experience that stands out in a world often dominated by distractions. Mindfulness involves engaging completely with the person you're with, listening not just to their words, but also to their emotions and unspoken cues, and responding thoughtfully and sincerely. This deep level of attention fosters a genuine connection, making each moment spent together feel significant and cherished. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Do every act of your life as if it were your last." By embodying this philosophy, you bring a sense of urgency and importance to each interaction, making every laugh, touch, or shared silence more profound. This presence creates a strong emotional bond, as people feel truly seen and valued. When you're absent, they don't just miss your company. They miss the unparalleled quality of attention and care you offer. Your absence leaves a void that other interactions, often superficial or distracted, cannot fill. Thus, they long for the next opportunity to experience the depth and authenticity of your presence, making your presence more cherished and your absence more felt. This cycle of meaningful engagement and the ensuing sense of longing strengthens the bond and deepens their appreciation for you. Number 6, consistency in communication. Maintaining a steady communication pattern can heighten someone's longing for you by creating a dependable rhythm in their life. It's not about overwhelming them with constant contact, but about establishing a reliable cadence of meaningful interactions. A morning text or a thoughtful check-in can become an anticipated ritual, something they look forward to and value. These moments not only showcase your thoughtfulness, but also build a sense of trust and reliability. As Seneca wisely observed, regularity is a sign of wisdom, indicating that a consistent presence can foster deeper connections and emotional security. When these expected exchanges are momentarily absent, the void they leave is palpable, amplifying their desire to reconnect. The steadiness of your communication becomes a quiet yet powerful way of showing that you care, making your absence felt even more acutely. This blend of reliability and quality creates an emotional dependency where your presence, or the lack thereof, has a significant impact on their daily experience. Number 7. Purposeful living. Having a life filled with purpose can make someone miss you more because it highlights your unique qualities and makes your presence impactful. When you're driven and engaged in meaningful activities, you're not passively waiting for someone else to define your worth or fill your time. Instead, you're actively pursuing your goals and passions, which creates a sense of independence and self-assuredness. Seneca's advice, "Our plans miscarry because they have no aim," underscores the importance of having clear objectives and direction in life. This purposeful living makes you more dynamic and compelling, as it demonstrates a deep engagement with life and a commitment to growth. When you share your passions and pursuits with others, it becomes more than just a conversation. It's an invitation to be part of your journey. This enthusiasm and energy are magnetic, drawing people towards you and leaving a lasting impression. Your partner or friends, in particular, may find themselves missing not just your company but the inspiration and motivation you bring into their lives. They look forward to your next adventure, eager to experience the vibrancy and positivity you exude, which can make your absence felt more keenly. Your purposeful life becomes a source of admiration and curiosity, making those around you cherish and anticipate the moments they spend with you. Number 8. Moderation in emotions. Moderation in emotions is crucial because it fosters a balanced dynamic where emotional expressions are thoughtful and measured. It aligns with Marcus Aurelius's wisdom. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. This Stoic principle encourages responding rather than reacting, maintaining a calm and deliberate demeanor even in challenging situations. By doing so, you demonstrate self-control and emotional intelligence, creating an atmosphere of stability and trust. People around you come to appreciate this consistency and the depth of your emotional engagements, as they feel secure and understood in your presence. When you're not around, they miss the tranquility and balance you provide, highlighting the value of your composed and reflective approach. Moderation in emotions also allows for clearer communication and more meaningful interactions, as it prevents impulsive outbursts that can damage relationships. It helps you navigate life's ups and downs with grace, making your emotional presence not only a source of comfort, but also a model for others. This cultivated inner peace becomes a cornerstone of your relationships, drawing others towards you and enhancing the quality of connections. Number 9. Resilience in adversity. Resilience isn't just about weathering life's storms. It's about demonstrating a steadfast strength that captivates those around you, making your absence profoundly felt. When you face challenges with grace and composure, you reveal a depth of character that resonates deeply with others. As Seneca wisely noted, a gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. This principle highlights that trials are not merely obstacles but opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Your ability to endure hardships without crumbling shows a remarkable inner strength and reliability. This resilience becomes a source of reassurance and stability for those who care about you. When you're not around, they find themselves missing not just the comfort of your presence, but also the confidence and security you provide. Your strength in adversity makes you a pillar of support, and your absence is felt as a gap that cannot easily be filled. They start to reflect on the stability and calm you bring into their lives, and this realization makes them long for your presence even more. Resilience, therefore, becomes a powerful factor in deepening emotional connections and reinforcing the value of your role in their life. It's not just about surviving tough times, but about emerging stronger and inspiring admiration and longing in those you leave behind. Number 10. Consistency in character. Being consistent in who you are profoundly influences how much someone misses you because it establishes a dependable foundation in the relationship while still preserving an element of intrigue. Epictetus wisely advised, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." This principle emphasizes the importance of staying true to your core values and maintaining a stable, reliable presence. When your partner can trust that you will uphold your principles and fulfill your commitments, it creates a comforting sense of security. This reliability reassures them that you are a steady and trustworthy presence in their life. However, consistency doesn't imply a lack of excitement or unpredictability. The key is to harmonize steadfastness with occasional spontaneity, ensuring that while you remain a rock in their life, you also inject moments of surprise and delight. For example, while you might consistently offer support and understanding, a surprise gesture or an unexpected adventure keeps the relationship vibrant. This balance between reliability and excitement makes you an integral and cherished part of their life. It ensures that your absence is deeply felt and your presence eagerly anticipated. Your partner will miss the dependable comfort you provide while looking forward to the joyful unpredictability you bring, creating a dynamic where you are both valued and eagerly awaited. In conclusion, embracing these 10 Stoic principles can truly make you unforgettable. By fostering self-sufficiency, you demonstrate that you are complete on your own, which is both intriguing and attractive. Controlling your emotions helps maintain an aura of mystery and depth, while intentional communication ensures that your interactions are both memorable and meaningful. Accepting absence not only strengthens your relationship, but also creates a space where your presence is eagerly anticipated. Being mindful during your interactions adds a layer of emotional richness that resonates deeply with others. Consistent communication builds a comforting rhythm, making your absence felt more acutely. Living purposefully infuses your life with energy and direction, making you a source of inspiration. Moderating your emotional expressions avoids overwhelming your partner and keeps the relationship balanced. Demonstrating resilience shows strength and reliability, qualities that deepen admiration and respect. Finally, consistency in character builds trust and security, while occasional surprises keep the relationship dynamic. Integrating these principles fosters a profound connection that endures through time and distance. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.